For more than 30 years, the mortgage industry has functioned using the good faith estimate and the initial truth in lending forms to disclose loan costs to consumers. This has changed through the TILA-RESPA Integrated Disclosures Rule. These disclosures are now combined into a new form known as the Loan Estimate, or LE. Timing and delivery requirements are essentially the same for the LE as they were for the GFE and TIL. The new loan estimate has 3 pages. Page 1 begins with general loan information and then includes sections for loan terms, projected payments, and closing costs. It's important to note that the borrower is now given the estimated cash to close amount, which is not included on the previous GFE. Page 2 is a breakdown of loan costs, other costs, and a summary entitled Calculating Cash to Close. What's different on this page is how the costs are broken down. The numbered series of loan costs, 800, 900, etc., no longer exist. Loan costs include origination charges, services you cannot shop for, and services you can shop for. Other costs include taxes, prepaids, initial escrow payment, and other. Calculating cash to close includes a summary of all charges and credits. Another important difference to point out on this page is that services you cannot shop for will now be subject to zero tolerance, where in the past these charges fell into the 10% tolerance category. On the 3rd page, you'll find the loan officer's contact and license information, followed by a cost comparison of 5 years total costs, the APR, and total interest percentage, or TIP. The total interest percentage is entirely new and discloses the total interest paid over the loan term, expressed as a percentage of the loan amount. For example, let's say that the borrower's loan amount is $100,000, and they'll pay $50,000 in interest over the life of the loan. Then the total loan interest percentage will be 50%. Basically, take the interest paid on the loan and divide it by the loan amount to find TIP. You'll also find other loan considerations that you're familiar with on page 3, like assumptions, late payments, and servicing.